Hi, I'm Amelia from Doxy.me. Let's take a quick look at Invite Via, a simple way to send patients everything they need to join their appointment and reduce no-shows. Inviting patients is easy. Click Invite Via from your dashboard. Choose how you'd like to send the invite, by text or email. You can send invites through your own email account. On premium plans, you can also send email and text message invites directly from Doxy.me, keeping your personal contact details private. No matter what option you choose, you'll add your patient's contact information, include the appointment details you want to share, and send the invite. Your patient will receive an invitation with your Doxy.me room link, so when it's time for the visit, they can simply click or tap the link to check in. From reminders to first-time visits, Invite Via makes it effortless to connect with patients and reduce no-shows.